Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Leather Fashion and welcome back to the new video. Today I hope you are doing very good and very well. I am here with again the new trendy and beautiful designs of leather outfits. You can see these leather outfits are really very stunning and gorgeous. I hope you like these outfits. I am pretty sure you look beautiful and gorgeous while you wear these dresses. These dresses looks perfect. These dresses make you look pretty well and pretty designed. You can buy these dresses from everywhere you want. I hope you look very beautiful when you wear these dresses. These pretty outfits are really very cute. You look stunning when you wear these dresses. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel Leather Fashion for more updates. Press the bell icon. These leather dresses are really very cool. I hope these dresses make you look pretty well and pretty good. You can see these dresses are eye-catching outfits. You love these outfits. If you like my video, kindly share my video with your friends and your family members. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Leather Fashion. Press the bell icon, never miss any update from my channel Leather Fashion. Thank you so much for watching my video.